plastic model kits, we know there's nothing that can beat the Bandai popularity in terms of plastic model kit manufacturing. So not just plastic model kit, but Bandai also do other toy lines in the world, and it's very famous in terms of production and selling of their company. So aside from Bandai, there are all companies that came from China, which are the third-party companies that copies Bandai model kits. And aside from the third party, there are also other original Japanese modelers like the Modoroid, Aoshima, Wave, and the Academy Plastic Model Kit that also, if not compete with Bandai, also can be seen in the market. But there's this one plastic model company or plastic model kit company that I enjoyed the most aside from Bandai. And I know some of or most of Filipinos doesn't know about this brand. If not, few can only buy this kit. And this is the Kotobukiya brands. And we'll talk about the Kotobukiya brand in this video. Yo, what's up guys, this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today we got here all the Kotobukiya model kit that I collected for the past 2 years. And honestly, this is one of the best brand that I can collect and recommend to model kit collectors. So this is a brand that I admire because there are anime and even the video game characters or video game mecha characters that we can see Bandai doing, or Bandai doesn't create kits from those lines. And good thing there is the Kotobukiya that got the franchise on building this kind of model kits, and I really like that. So aside from the Gundam series or the Gunpla or the Gundam Mecha model lines, I also collect model kit that came from different mecha animes, and one of those company that do that is the Kotobukiya brand. So Kotobukiya is a Japanese company also, but their factory or their manufacturing arm are in China. So when you see Kotobukiya runners, you can see it is made in China. Unlike in the Bandai plastic model, you can see made in Japan like that. But this one, it's made in China, so don't be confused. This is a Japanese product, but their production arm is in China. So what is Kotobukiya brand? So Kotobukiya is a toy company that is also doing not just model kit items, but also the some kind of girl mecha anime and figurines like that, girl mecha models like that, or female mecha models. Actually, I don't like that. I don't collect those lines. I just collect all those mecha that I like, and I love the design, something like that. So I got here Zoids, by the way. So Kotobukiya is also famous for the Zoid lines, the Zoid HMM model. So we got here this very nice the Bison And this model here is really nice. The plastic quality of this kit is very resilient and very compact, very heavy also. This is I think one of the best line that Kotobukiya is doing, the Zoid lines there. And aside from the Zoid, we got here the armored core. So Kotobukiya has so many lines of armored core, and it's somehow expensive in terms of I think the series, where the series came from, and also the design. It's based on that. So the more popular the series, the price of that line is expensive, and the least popular, it's also cheaper. So I got here this average price Kotobukiya armored core, which is the, I forgot this one, the ambient. Yeah, thanks to the chicken. So this is the ambient model kit. So I didn't expand my whole collection of armored core, since I am not that the fan of that game. I just bought one of the kit that catch my interest, which is this one, the ambient. And aside from that, Kotobukiya is also one of the manufacturer of the MSG lines, or the model service goods, modular service goods. And this is one of their product here, which is the Garuda gear. This is their original design, the Garuda gear. And aside from that, they got also the Hexa gear. So I got here the Hexa gear model. So Hexa gear, I forgot the Vitor. Yes, this is the Vitor. Okay, one of the best Hexa gear model that they created. So it's also featured by Mecha Guy Kotsu. That's why I bought this kit. One of the forgot his rating. It's like the platinum tire model, or Kotobukiya model from his channel, and the best plastic quality in terms of Kotobukiya lines that also have brittle plastic, but this one doesn't have. It has a very nice plastic quality. And we got also the frame arms. Frame arms line from Kotobukiya is also nice. I got one model from them, which is this one, the Congo, which also transforms into a battleship. I didn't focus my interest in frame arms because I still love the Gundam line. So there are so many designs for the frame arms, but I only chose this Congo here. For the anime, Kotobukiya is also doing the Brave series model kits. So most Brave series you can find in their lines, but I just chose one from that, which is the Sky Gold Run. So there we got the Gold Run model kit here. So this Brave series really look like a Gundam model to me because of their appearance, and the silhouette of those model kit really look like Gundam. So there we got this Brave series. And there are also animes like the new mecha anime in our times that Kotobukiya created. So one of that is the Love mecha, and I got here the Love Shiranuis. So these are the Shiranui model. The only thing I don't like with this kit is most joints are containing brittle polycaps. The polycap on this model is really bad. It keeps on breaking, so good thing I got spare polycaps from other kits that can be compatible also with this line, so good thing. But I still need to repair some parts on my Shiranui lines or the Love lines, because most of their kit are really loose, or parts are really loose. So there we got this Shiranui, and also I got the Takemi Kaduchi, which is the yellow one, which I didn't get. Maybe I will find it in my cabinet. Aside from that, they got also the Broken Blade line, and I got here the Delphine. And what I found with this kit is it shares the same frame from the frame arms. So this is the kit that used the frame arms frame like that. So it's very cool and very simple to build, but mind you, it keeps on loosening over time. So what I did is I glue all those parts that doesn't move, and tightened all the joints that keeps on sagging and loosening. So there we go. We got this kind of cute robot here, which is from the Broken Blade series. So there. Then we got also the Majestic Prince line. So I got here the Kinkagi Kotai Majestic Prince, which is the gold 4. I also got the gold 5, the red 5, but cannot find it in my cabinet. So this is the one of my expensive Kotobukiya line or Kotobukiya kit. And mind you, all kits from Kotobukiya is also rare to find and a bit expensive. If you find some, be prepared to pay a big amount of cash, because it's really expensive, especially if not sale on the market. Then for the video game lines, we got the Metal Gear. They're one of the manufacturer of the Metal Gear Solid model kit. And what I got here is the Rex, the black version Rex from the Metal Gear series. And aside from Metal Gear, they got also from the movie, I think, if I'm not mistaken, this is the Gunhead. So I watched some clips from that movie, but I didn't finish it. So this Gunhead here is a bit expensive, but very problematic kit to build because it's very loose. All joints here are loose, so I don't make it transform from time to time. I don't do transformation on this kit, because the more you do transformation, it keeps on the joints keeps on loosening like that. So I don't do that. And there we go. We got also another Zoid line. So I got Zoids, bootlegs, and Kotobukiya. Zoid kits are really expensive, so good thing there are bootleg version of this that I bought a year ago, like the Shield Liger and the Blade Liger. So this one is the Liger Zero, which is a bit fragile. I don't like the plastic quality of this because it's very thin and very loose. So most part or most plates here I glued together. And from other video game, we got here the Solidea. So we got the Solidea from Starwing Paradox, and this is one of expensive kit that I bought as well. So this little guy here cost around 5,000, but the color and the appearance is really nice. What I don't like with this kit is the plastic quality, which is very brittle. So just be careful when building this kit. And there are also Super Robot Wars genre or lines that Kotobukiya did. So I got the Super Robot Altyson here, the 1/100 scale, and I was surprised that Super Robot Mecha are really large compared with the 1/100 scale model kit from Bandai. So this is the 1/100 scale Altyson, and it's very chunky, very big, and very heavy. And most joints are really problematic on this kit because these are all polycaps. So there. Then we got here the one of the expensive kit as well from Kotobukiya, the border break model kit, and I made a review of that already, and it's very cool model as well, but the plastic is troublesome. I don't like the plastic quality. And again, we got here the Cybertrooper Virtual On. So this is the Specinef. So I really don't like this kit. I regret buying this kit because I thought at first this is very sturdy, but now this is very loose, especially the hip part. The hip part is garbage, and the joint parts are really bad. So I don't play with this kit too much because of that issues. Good thing the Raiden model, which also from the same line, is better compared with this kit. So this is really bad. Okay. So Kotobukiya is a better alternative if you are fed up with so much Gundam model kit. So Gundam is still the leading plastic model kit that we can see in the market. But the more you make Gundam, the more you fed up with those kits. So this is a very best alternative if you like to take a break from making Gunpla models, the Gundam models. So again, this is Kotobukiya plastic model lines, and a worth kit to buy, but still check the dates, especially those 2015 below releases. Those plastic parts are really bad, so just choose those 2016 above. Those plastic are somehow improved, or the reissued kits. Most reissued kits from Kotobukiya, they resolve the plastic issues. So there we go. Thank you so much for watching this Kotobukiya reviews or showcase. See you next time.